Hello dear friends, my name is Kalyankar Madhav. I am worked as assistant professor in Gopikabai Sitaram Gaondia Mahavidyalaya located in the Umarkhed Tehsil district Yavatmal. So friends, I am trying to teach you cell cycle. Okay, what is cell cycle? Cell cycle is the cyclical events occurs between the two successive phases of two successive phases. Okay, or simply we says that the cell cycle is nothing but the duration between two successive divisions. Okay, duration between two successive divisions is called as cell cycle. As we know that the time duration for cell cycle is different in different organisms or different living things. When we consider the bacteria, the cell cycle completed within 30 minutes. Okay, that is bacterial cell cycle completed within the 30 minutes. On the other hand, if we see the yeast cell, that is fungus cells, the cell cycle, the duration of cell cycle in fungus is approximately 90 minutes. Then if we consider the human cell, normal human cell, the cell cycle of human cell require 24 hours for their completions. In nature, some cells are also there which cannot follow the cell cycle. Which kinds of cells? Which kinds of cells which do not follow cell cycles? From which one is the neurons or nerve cells which is present in the brain. Okay, second one is the cardiac cell which is present in the heart. These are the some cell and other cells are RBC. Then sieve cells of the plants which do not follow the cell cycle. Okay, when we see the cell cycle of human cell which is completed in 24 hours, the humans or each and every cell cycle can be divided into the two phases, two stages, from which one is the interphase and the second one is the division phase. Okay, the duration of interphase in the cell cycle is high, is long. Okay, approximately 95% of the duration is occupied by the interphase, whereas the duration of division phase is approximately 1 hour. Okay, 1 to 2 hours. Interphase is also known as resting phase. Okay, why it is called as resting phase? Because in interphase the cell rest, cell do not follow the division phase, so that's why it is called as a resting phase. All the preparations which are required for division can be occur in the interphase. Dear students, the duration of interphase in human cell is approximately 22 to 23 hours. Okay, again the interphase can be divided into three sub stages. Okay, three sub stages, from which one is gap 1 phase, simply it is called as G1 phase. Second one is the synthetic phase or replication phase, and third one is the gap 2 phase or G2 phase. Okay, This is the three sub phases. This is the phases of adult human cell. Okay, dear students, in nature some cells also present which do not have gap of phases, that is G1 phase and G2 phase. For example, in human embryonic cell or in embryonic cell, the gap phases are absent. That is, in human cell, the resting phase contain only replication phase or synthetic phase. Okay, then in G1 phase, the synthesis of proteins, mRNA, nucleotides occurs. Okay, if the cell do not follow the cell cycle, then it is permanently arrested at the checkpoint named as G1S phase checkpoint, or it is also known as G1 phase checkpoint. This point or this phase is called as G0 phase or quiescent phase. Dear students, in G1 S phase checkpoint, some parameters are checked, such as in surrounding environment, space is available or not. Second one is the number of nucleotides are also checked. Third one is the various kinds of enzymes that is involved in the replication, it are present or not, it is also checked. Okay, second one is the S phase, that is synthetic phase, in which the replication of DNA and synthesis of centriole occurs. That is, duplication of genetic material occurs in the S phase. Also, in S phase, the checkpoints also present, that is S phase checkpoint, where the DNA damage can be checked. Third stage, it is known as G2 phase or gap 2 phase. In this, the transcription and translation occurs, that is synthesis of proteins and mRNA occurs. But in G2 phase, synthesis of histone proteins, then spindle cytoskeletal proteins are occurs, that is the proteins involved in the cell division, chromosome separations are synthesized in the gap 2 phase. Then in G2 phase also checkpoint is there, it is known as G2M phase checkpoint, where the protein contained DNA damage also checked. The second phase in the cell cycle is division phase or M phase. The division phase can contain three kinds of divisions, from which one is amitosis, second one is the mitosis, and third one is the meiosis. Somatic cells contain mitosis and the germinal cells follow meiosis. The division phase can be divided into the two sub phases, from which one is the karyokinesis and the second one is the cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is nothing but the division of nucleus, whereas cytokinesis is nothing but the division of nucleus. Also checkpoint is there in M phase, it is called as spindle assembly checkpoint or M phase checkpoint, where chromosome separation properly occurs or not is checked. Thank you students.